Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to change currency in TikTok shop. So first, let's go to our app called Seller Center. So in here, they're asking to become a seller and below we can see our region or our country that we're living in. So in my case, I'm from Philippines, so it's Philippine shop. And if you want to change currency, of course, you will change your region or your country. So, for example, Philippine shop is in pesos. So, if we want to change currency, just switch country. And for example, we want to go to United States shop. And then we go to sign up with TikTok account. And there you go.